Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Gaming 4G and then hit enter. And then click on the product. So first one, then click on support. Select operating system Windows 7, 10, 11. So all operating system driver download and installations processing. This is your driver and version, size, release date, and this is download icon. Just click to download. It will start downloading in the download box. I can see it is start downloading. It will take some time to download. After that, click on three dot in the corner and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator, otherwise show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.